Hey, what's up, guys? Sniper team here. We got the whole squad tonight.
What's going on, guys?
Let's go, let's go. Get it. So today we're gonna go ahead and dive right into our trading day, our recap of Money Monday. It was September. What was the exact date?
23rd.
23rd today, right?
September 23rd.
23rd. Let's do it. Actually, look at this. We're right into action.
Here we go.
Money Monday. Let's go. Alright, so as you can see, we actually pulled up our buy. We had a limit ready, just waiting for this moment. As you can see in the top left, the time. This is a key spot. I'm gonna let Al break this down a little bit more on Z-Mark.
Yeah, this is coming in hot right now. We're already trying to get in. We've been looking at the stock all day. It's been holding 5.5 breakout support. This is a really nice setup starting 326, and we're chasing right here, trying to buy the high of the day because we tried to get in at 5. But we're in.
And this is a great play right here because it's a 52-week OTC breakout. This is what we look for. This is what grew our account from that 500 to now this 80,000 mark. And this is why we would smack it. Perfect timing, exactly what Nick was talking about.
Yeah, and it all comes. I mean, a big part of it is timing, because if it was a little bit earlier, we'd be just still sitting back. The fact that it's breaking out at this time is the reason we're buying it, and it's key sitting back and hanging out with us in the chat to be able to see, to be able to find out those right times. You really get caught up.
Check out that volume that came in too. That's another big factor that we look at for a high day break. Big volume candle to come in, and that's what we got right there. So we got a nice little push, I think like a 5% push here after getting in, and that's what we look for. We look for a stock to make that push past the breakout and then find some support at that breakout level.
Yeah. So the key would be 52-week breakout. You got the big volume. It's breaking out during power hour at the end of the day. And we got our wrist set.
Yeah, the wrist level's perfect with that VWAP right there.
Alright, and now let's dive into another hot play that it'll pick up. It's starting to heat up.
Let's go. Our market 336. We got 24 minutes left.
And now we're in a second stock. So
just bought it.
We're watching both, and this is live from our TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim app. This is live right from our phone.
Live action.
Yeah, so this is our second purchase, so now we're in two stocks right now.
Coming in.
You see it breaking high of the days right here. The big key with this is it broke out at 3 cents in the morning, held that level all day long, and is now breaking new highs of the day at 3:38 p.m. prime time. We slapped it, we took the high day. This is something that we've been watching. We've actually bagged the stock last week for like $500, $700 in like 70 minutes, something ridiculous.
The NFL football music, you'd say, whoa!
Yeah,
that thing's going, that thing's going.
This is a bag of fun here.
This is the clean look right here. This is this 1 year look, but alright, now we're going back to this 1 day, 1 minute. 2 day, 2 minutes.
Cushion is what we look for.
Yeah, beautiful push here. We got exactly what we were looking for. Just like I said in the previous with Z-Mark, we're looking for this too in Z-Mark. It's kind of similar, it's a very similar trade.
Multi-month, now this is a 9-month breakout coming to a 1 year, 52 week, which was Z-Mark.
Yeah, and everyone talks about, hey, penny stocks are so risky, they stay away from them. Any finance major will tell you that. But check this out, we're in 2 positions. We have a little over 4,000 in each one, and it's being able to be completely managed. You can see our clear the risk level on both of these stocks. We're using VWAP as the cut here.
Yeah, I think exactly what Nick said is probably one of my favorite parts about these stocks. They do look risky, they are low priced, but we do have a small trading range. And as you guys can see, this trading range was from 0.034 breakout to that 0.032 VWAP or 0.0.
Okay, HDII, stop flexing on everybody like that sound.
3, so not risking your whole account when you're going into these things, and the potential of the upside is there.
Exactly. For it to be risky, it's got to be worth it, and the upside is just so big in these stocks. And check this out. So now we're getting a huge push.
Yeah, this is nice. 10 to 15%.
It's a nice push for us.
10 to 15%, right here in 10
here.
minutes. It's in 10 minutes. This is beautiful.
Yeah.
So,
and now we're actually looking.
So why not? I mean, you're up that quick. You guys just saw this trade started, I think, 10 minutes ago or something like that.
Check that out. Instead of taking full, we decided, hey, let's just take half. There's still 14 minutes left. There's still buyers coming in. We'll sell them to the buyers. However, it is making that new 52-week high. It's holding.
300 bucks. I think
minutes
that was
left.
10 minutes. that we just made it.
Yep,
So it was right around
10%, 12-15% actually in
10 minutes. So we could have taken a whole bag. But with the upside to this, now we know 0.04 is another resistance spot. And usually we know that's going to be a little rough, but we know the potential reward, and now we have a risk set already selling half.
Secure the bag.
Yeah,
Don't
nice.
forget.
Look at this, it's even pushing now. Almost
Man,
like the 4.
282.
Locked in.
13 minutes, there it is.
There it goes. Well,
Now let's get back to Z-Mark.
Now we're back to the other position
Pay
we're in.
attention to 2.
Alright? So we're half out of this, we're half out of HDII, jumping back to Z-Mark.
If you're not a multitasker, I don't recommend you taking 2 positions.
yeah, so we didn't get the
or at the
15%
beginning.
push. We did
Or
not
if
get
we
the
just
15% push here,
Still
so.
does take some.
All I wanted was love about me. So why do they all try to down me?
Come on, baby
You
horse.
say all the words you like. You won't hold me down, and I'ma be alright. I came down, got a distraction. You were nothing in my way.
You know, this wasn't playing out the way that HDII played out in the 13-20 minute span that we're in it. And we have maybe 5% cushion, but there's sellers, as you can see right here at that level, there's sellers there. There's only 6 minutes left right now, so it's not that ideal for us. This is not something that we love, and it's okay if you're not. It's all right if you don't like it, then don't be in it. You know, it's pretty simple.
Yeah, that's what's great about trading.
Yeah, I mean the stock is still up 50% on the day. It's above 52-week highs. It's a nice breakout candle, but it's not really closing strong, and we had a little bit of a loose risk here, so we went ahead and took it. We put our sell in here, and you know that was it. I think it was like 30-40 bucks.
There we go.
And that was it. We $50
off, let's
scratch on that, and
But back to ACI.
And we'll still be watching it. Like HDII, we actually made money on it earlier last week.
So up 282, down 50, so technically up 230.
Yeah, so this is the end of the day. This is a little recap to end the day on HDII. As you can see, it's 3:57, 3 minutes left. It's still holding that VWAP spot, and now the VWAP's actually up to right where we bought it, so we don't have any risk going in overnight. And we decided, let's go ahead, let's hold this. It is that 52-week breakout. You have nice volume coming in at the end of the day.
2-minute warning.
Yeah, and the biggest thing is it's still holding the breakout.
overnight swing.
It's all about feeling comfortable. All about feeling comfortable. We feel comfortable because in this one, you guys can see we're slightly above. In that last one, we weren't slightly above our buy spot.
Yeah, and so we have 222 open right now. And for a final recap, this wraps up the day today. It was Monday, September 23rd, you said? 23rd. We had JCP for a little scratch earlier, and then these are our 2 plays that we played today. As you can see, up 504 HDII. Let's see how it goes out tomorrow.
Bag it out tomorrow.
Let's go.
Right,
104 break coming.